Hello students, welcome back to our channel Score High to Soar High. In this video series, we have been uploading notes related to ICSE board syllabus. In this video, we are going to see the rest of the questions from Class 6 History and Civics, Chapter 2, the Egyptian Civilization. This is the part 2 of this video series. Come on, let us continue with our studies. Before that, let me remind you, don't forget to subscribe this channel and share it with your friends and neighbors. Come on, let us see the question and answers. Question number 13. Give a short account on religion. The Egyptians worshipped many gods and goddesses. Each god was associated with a particular aspect of life and each had a specific form. The chief god was Amun-Re or Ra, the sun god. He was the king of all gods and considered the source of warmth and life. Thoth, the moon god, represented by Ibis, a water bird. Horus, the sky god, represented by a hawk. Anubis, the god of mummification, represented by a jackal. Each god had a separate temple and a priest. Each city had a patron god. Next question, the 14th one. Write a short note on mummy. Answer. The Egyptians believed in life after death. They considered death to be a temporary phase between this life and the next. Therefore, they preserved their dead by mummifying their bodies. They covered the dead body with herbs and spices and then wrapped it in fine linen. Such a preserved body is called a mummy. Next question, the 15th one. Explain the major achievements of Egyptians. Architecture. The Egyptians were great builders and constructed many pyramids and temples. The largest of the pyramids, the Great Pyramid at Giza, was built by Pharaoh Cheops. He is also called as Khufu. Another architectural wonder is the Sphinx, a mythological figure with the head of a man and the body of a lion. It is carved out of a single block of stone. Egyptians' major achievements in mathematics. They knew fractions, the decimal system, and the 4 basic operations of mathematics. What are the 4 basic operations of mathematics? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. They could also calculate the area and volume of geometrical figures. Next, in the field of medicine, they knew a lot about human anatomy. One of their medical books gives a detailed description of blood circulation. Next, in the field of astronomy, they studied the movements of the heavenly bodies and predicted natural phenomena. They also divided the sky into 12 constellations. They were the first to devise a solar calendar. Next question, the 10th one. Write a short note. Write a short note on the Egyptian system of writing. The Egyptian system of writing is called hieroglyphics, which means sacred writing. This script used pictures to represent words and symbols to express ideas. The script was written from right to left. Initially, people wrote on stone walls and clay tablets. Later, paper sheets made from papyrus reeds were used. A pointed reed was used as a pen. So with this video has come to an end. Let us continue with our studies in the next video with the rest of the questions.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.